Hello children, today we are going to start chapter 4 SST, being a good citizen. Who is a good citizen? When a person performs his duties towards the country and thinks about its well-being, he is called a good citizen. Good citizen cares for private as well as the public property. Here you can see the property is divided into two parts. One is private, another one is public. First, private property. Example, pen, books, TV, car, house, etc. Private property is what belongs to you. You have full right over it, like pencil, books, etc. Nobody else can use them without your permission. Same time, some things like TV, motorbike, car, house are owned by your parents. You also too have right to use it because it belongs to your parents. Second one is public property. Example, road, railways, park, etc. Things like road, railway, park, monument, etc. are not our personal property. They belong to state or central government. These are called public property. Public property belongs to public, and public refer to all the citizen of the country, means you and me. We are the citizen of the country and this public property refer to us. So what all our duties? Our duties are we should take care of all these things. Then every particular citizen of a country should take care of the public property. You call your school is my school, is it? You are right in saying, because school belongs to all the children who all are study here. The maintenance, so you have to take care of your school. The maintenance, protection and preservation of the public property is a duty of every citizen. Then the duties and responsible of a good citizen. As we are a good citizen, we have some duties and some responsibility. What are our duties and what are our responsibility? First one is participation in election. Voting in election is one of the primary responsibility of a good citizen. India is the largest democracy in world. A democracy is a government of the people, for the people and by the people. So every people who all are above 18 years, they have right to vote and choose their own leaders. Every good person, what they are doing, they should take part in election. Second point is showing care for public property and historical monuments. A responsible citizen shows care for the public property like post office, railway station, bus stop, all this. They obey the rules and regulation at the place. Means what are the rule regulation? We have to stand on the queue, we have to wait our term, then we should not damage the fan light, we should not smoke there, all these things. We behave in a disciplined way at the historical moment. Like Taj Mahal is the one of the most important historical monument in India. In recent past, it was noticed that the smoke of the nearby industrial unit was damaged and white marble of the Taj Mahal. So many responsible citizens shifted their units to place from far from the Taj Mahal. Next one is the school. School is the temple of learning. It imparts education, which is the foundation of a person's meaningful life. We should be responsible for being good discipline at school. Obey the rule, respect the teachers, be friendly to be friendly to everybody. Then we should not harm the books in the library. We should not damage the computer system in computer lab. We should not pluck the flowers from the school garden. When we have to sense of respect and belonging towards our school, then only you can grow up to become a responsible citizen.